The universe is arguably very big, and you are very cool for knowing that. But one thing that is underappreciated is how much space there is that is smaller than us. Let me give you an example, starting with you. You are roughly about as tall as 268 pancakes. That is an accepted universal measurement. Now imagine zooming in on yourself to the stuff that is way smaller than you, smaller than all the germ cells on you, smaller than a molecule, smaller than an atom on those molecules. Keep going, smaller than the particles inside of that atom. You're still not even close to the smallest thing that we know, the Planck length. The Planck length is so small that it's basically the limit of how tiny space itself can be. How small? It is 1.6 times 10 to the negative 35 meters. That is 0.000 followed by 34 more zeros and then a 1 meters. To give you some scale, if you took a grain of sand and cut it 1,000 times, and then 1,000,000 times more, and then 1,000,000,000 times more after that, and then 1,000,000,000,000 times more after that, you still wouldn't even be almost close to being halfway there. The height difference between you and the Planck length is way more than the height difference between you and the entire observable universe. Which, mind you, I know I was able to say the words in that comparison, but nobody can even come close to understanding how comical that is. So we live in a strange middle ground between the unimaginably vast and the impossibly small. But here's the thing. If you zoom into the Planck scale or zoom out beyond galaxies, you'll find something amazing. There is space to exist. If the universe is infinite at every scale, who's to say there isn't room for life or even entire civilizations within those spaces? A civilization could exist on one of the door handles in your house, and the door handle could very well be as big to them as the entire observable universe is to us. And that's the beauty of infinity. It doesn't just go in one direction. There are infinite infinities. You can zoom in forever, and you can zoom out forever, each time discovering more space to explore, more mysteries to uncover. It's not just vast universe out there, it's a vast universe inside every point, too.